एवरीवन, आज मैं आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो लेकर आई हूँ जो कि हमारा टॉपिक है मनी मार्केट। तो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। प्लीज़ सबसे पहले आप सब्सक्राइब बटन पे क्लिक करिए और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा, जिससे कि जैसे ही मैं कोई नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँ उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए। और प्लीज़ मेरा वीडियो एंड तक देखिएगा। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक एंड कमेंट ज़रूर करें। तो चलिए बिना किसी देर करते अब हम शुरू करते हैं वीडियो के साथ। मनी मार्केट इंट्रोडक्शन। Money market basically refers to a section of the financial market where financial instruments with high liquidity and short-term maturities are traded. Money market has become a component of the financial market for buying and selling of securities of short-term maturities of 1 year or less, such as treasury bills and commercial papers. The money market is a component of the economy which provides short-term funds. The money market deals in short-term loans, generally for a period of less than or equal to 365 days. Participants. The money market consists of financial institutions and dealers in money or credit who wish to either borrow or lend. Participants borrow and lend for short periods, typically up to 12 months, or you can say 1 year. The core of the money market consists of interbank lending, banks borrowing and lending to each other using commercial paper, repurchase agreement and similar instruments. Finance companies typically fund themselves by issuing large amount of asset-backed commercial paper (ABCP), which is secured by the pledge of eligible assets into ABCP conduit. Some large corporations with strong credit rating issue commercial paper on their own credit. Other large corporations arrange for banks to issue commercial paper on their behalf. Money market and reforms. The Indian money market consists of diverse sub-markets, each dealing in a particular type of short-term credit. The money market fulfills the borrowing and investment requirements of providers and users of short-term funds and balances the demand for and supply of short-term funds by providing an equilibrium mechanism. It also serves as a focal point for the central bank's intervention in the market. Over-the-counter trading is done in the money market and it is wholesale process. It is used by participants as a way of borrowing and lending for the short term. Features of money market. Money market has no geographical constraint as that of a stock exchange. The financial institutions dealing in money assets may be spread over a wide geographical area. Even though there are various centers of money market such as Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai, etc., they are not separate independent markets but are interlinked and interrelated. It relates to all dealings in money and monetary assets. It is a market purely for short-term funds. Transactions can be conducted without the help of brokers. Variety of instruments are traded in money market. Objectives of money market. To cater to the requirements of borrowers for short-term funds and provide liquidity to the lenders of these funds. To provide parking place for temporary employment of surplus fund. To provide facility to overcome short-term deficits. to enable the bank to influence and regulate liquidity in the economy, to help the government to implement its monetary policy through open market operations. History of Indian money market. History of Indian money market. Till 1935, when the RBI was set up by the Indian money market, remained highly disintegrated, unorganized, narrow, shallow, and therefore very backward. The planned economic development that commenced in the year 1951 marked an important beginning. The nationalization of bank in 1969, setting up of various committees such as Sukhmani Committee, the Wagul Working Group, the setting up of Discount and Finance House of India 1988, the Securities Trading Corporation of India 1994, and the commencement of liberalization and globalization process in 1991 gave a further flip for the integrated and effective development of Indian money market. Structure of Indian money market. Organized money market and unorganized money market, and the third one is sub-markets. The organized money market include Reserve Bank of India (RBI), scheduled commercial banks, lenders, development bank, investment institutions, regional rural banks (RRB), foreign bank, state finance corporation, etc. Sub-market include call money market, bill money market. Bill money market is again divided into two: commercial bills and treasury bills. Then 364-day bill market, CDs and commercial papers, commercial deposits and commercial papers. Unorganized money market, indigenous banker, domestic money, nidhis and chit funds, traders and friends, brokers and dealers. Money market instrument in India. Call money. Call money is a short-term finance used for interbank transaction. It has a maturity period of 1 day to 15 days. All the commercial banks are required to maintain cash balance, which is known as cash reserve ratio. Treasury bill. Treasury bill are by far the oldest of money market instrument, and they are still used heavily not just in India market but also the world over. Treasury bills or T-bills in India are short-term borrowing instrument issued by the government of India that do not pay any interest but are available at discount from their face value at the time of issue. Commercial paper. Commercial paper is a short-term unsecured promissory note with maturity period of 15 days to 1 year. Since it is unsecured, it is issued by the large and credit-worthy companies to meet their short-term fund requirement. Commercial paper is issued at discount and redeemed at par. It is negotiable and transferable by endorsement. Certificate of deposit. Certificate of deposit are short-term instruments issued by the commercial bank and financial institution to the individuals, corporations and companies. They are unsecured and they have tight liquidity position because of slow growth of bank deposits, but the demand for credit is high. Commercial bill. Commercial bill is a bill of exchange used to finance the credit sales of firm. It is a short-term negotiable and self-liquidity instrument in case of goods sold on credit. The buyer is liable to make the payment on a specific date in future. The seller could either wait till the maturity date or can draw a bill of exchange When this bill is accepted by the buyer, it becomes a marketable instrument and is called a trade bill. Ready forward contract, repo. The term repo is derived from the phrase repurchase agreement, which is essentially an agreement that simultaneously mentions sales and purchase of an asset. In the Indian context, repo agreements are made between banks as well as between a bank and the RBI for short-term loan. Interest rate swap. This is the newest money market instrument in use in India in today. Interest rate swap is a financial transaction in which two parties sign a deal while the other pays a floating rate of interest. The fixed rate of interest payable is calculated using a notional principal amount, while the floating rate of interest is paid on the actual principal lent out or borrowed, with the rate varying on the basis of market conditions. Reforms in the Indian money market. Development of money market instrument, deregulation of interest rates, institutional developments, permission to foreign institutional investors. Functions of the money market: financing trade, central bank policy, growth of industry, commercial bank self-sufficiency. Financing trade. The money market provides financing to local and international traders who are in urgent need of short-term funds. It provides a facility to discount bills of exchange, and this provides immediate financing to pay for goods and services. Central bank policy. The central bank is responsible for guiding the monetary policy of a country and taking measures to ensure a healthy financial system. Through the monetary market, the central bank can perform its policy making function efficiently. Growth of business. The money market provides an easy avenue where businesses can obtain short-term loans to finance their working capital needs. Due to large volume of transaction, businesses may experience cash shortages related to buying raw materials, paying employees, or meeting other short-term expenses. Commercial bank self-sufficiency. The money market provides commercial banks with a ready market where they can invest their excess reserves and can earn interest while maintaining liquidity. The short-term investments such as bills of exchange can easily be converted to cash to support customer withdrawals. Money market funds advantages. Great place to park money. Liquidity isn't usually an issue, and yield. When the stock market is extremely volatile and investors aren't sure where to invest their money, the money market can be a terrific safe haven. Liquidity isn't usually an issue. Money market funds don't generally invest in securities that trade minuscule volumes or tend to have little following. Rather, they mostly trade in entities or securities that are in fairly high demand. This means they tend to be more liquid. Yield. Money market funds pay a yield based on holdings of the underlying fund. The yield is generally automatically reinvested into the fund via purchase of additional shares in the fund. This yield makes money market funds an attractive alternative to the mattress. Disadvantage of money market funds: purchasing back and suffer. If an investor is generating a 3% return in the money market, but inflation is humming along 4%, the investor is essentially losing purchasing power each year. Expenses can take a toll. When investors are earning 2 or 3% in a money market account, Even small annual fees can eat up a substantial chunk of the profit. FDIC safety net may not be there. This means although money market mutual funds may still be considered a comparatively safe place to invest money, there is still an element of risk that all the investors should be aware of. Lost opportunity and returns may vary. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video. Please do it, guys. Subscribe my video and press the bell icon for getting updated with the videos. Please don't forget to subscribe my video. This video is very useful to you all. You can use it as your PPTs for your term assignments and even for making notes. Thank you so much.